My name is Sadie Cruz. I'm a project manager at Gamma IT Solutions, and we are the pro developers of Payroll Pro HRM, which is used in Suriname and all over the Caribbean. We are very excited to have you here because we have some great news. At the start of this year, we decided we wanted to improve the user experience of Payroll Pro users. So we know how important technology is, and we know how dependent we are on our smartphones. I mean, most of the time, if you forget your phone at home, chances are you're gonna go back and get it. So that's how dependent we are on our phones. So we created a Payroll Pro HRM app that users can download from the Google and Apple Store, and where they can access all their payroll and HR information anytime from the palm of their hand. So to further explain more about the app, we have the Payroll Pro HRM expert of one-on-one consultancy, Ms. Sergio Regio, to introduce you all to the app. So thank you, Sergio, for joining us today, and please enlighten us about how this app works.
Yes, good morning, everyone. As Terry recently said, today we are launching our new Payroll Pro HRM mobile app. In this presentation, I will briefly present to you the different options this app offers. My name is Shadra Japawiro, and I am a junior consultant at 101 Consultancy. To use this app, there are some requirements. The company must have a licensed HRM module in Payroll Pro and also active employee portal installation connected to the company. This mobile app brings a lot of benefits with it. One of the main benefits is getting easy access to all of your personal information on every device and from anywhere. The app is somewhat the same as the employee web-based portal, which has the possibility to download payslips, download wage tax card, review personal information, contact the HR department, make vacation requests, request sickness or absence leaves, and request overtime or time back hours. The app is available for all Apple and Android devices in the Google Play Store and in the App Store for iPhone users. When using the app, there will be an easy one-time connection with the employee's information. Through the HR department or the employee web portal, all employees can generate a unique QR code, which is needed to scan in the mobile app. This scan automatically connects the mobile app users to their own personal information or HR requests. When the connection is established, the only other step is to create a PIN code for the app. If there is a PIN code created, this very PIN code will be used to log in each time the user opens the mobile app. Opening the mobile app after logging in, the first thing you see are the employee's information. The employee's profile is being presented with their profile picture, their name, the function in the company, and the department they work in. The mobile app has several menu options. The first option is the My HR option, which brings us to the HR screen to manage all HR and payroll-related requests. Then we have the My Profile option, which contains all of the employee's personal information, such as the name, address, birthday, etc. With the last option, Logout, users can log out from the app, which allows them to scan a new QR code. If the user is not logged out, only the created PIN code will be required to log into the app. Okay, let's start with the HR options. The first screen contains the HR options, and these are Vacation tab, Sickness or Absence Leave, Overtime, Time Back, the Contact HR option, Download Payslips, and download the wage tax card. With vacation, the employee can manage or view all vacation-related requests. They can enter a new vacation request with new request in which the vacation balance is also presented. In pending, they can manage their pending request There are requests that are not approved or rejected yet. In approved, they can see all approved vacation mutations, and in rejected, all rejected vacation requests are registered for the employee as a history. The same as vacation, with absence, the employee can manage or view all of their absence-related requests. With new requests, they can enter a new absence request or leave in which they can also attach a file. This can be used to attach sickness certificates when entering sickness leave. It's also possible to add additional remarks to each absence request. In pending, they can manage their pending requests, which are not approved or rejected yet, or cancel the new entered absence or sickness request. In rejected, all rejected requests are registered for the employee as their history. When entering overtime with a new request, each reason will be entered with the amounts of hours being worked. In approved, they can see all approved overtime mutations, and in rejected, all rejected overtime requests are registered for the employee in their history. Same as the time back hours. With new requests, they can enter new requests for time back. The reason can be selected, and also the balance is presented in new request in the new request screen. If there are no requests if there are no requests in the tab pending requests, the app will state that there are no pending requests or no approved requests on the screen. Then we have the Contact HR tab. With Contact HR, employees can conversate directly with the HR department. With new chat, a conversation can be started by also selecting conversation subject. This way, the HR users can identify the message beforehand. Messages sent through the Contact HR tab can be started by the employee, or the HR user can contact the employee through this tab. When the conversation is started, the dialogue is presented, and all conversations are saved in the Open or Close Chat tab. When a conversation is still ongoing, this conversation stays in the tab Open Chat. In the HR department, if the HR department chooses to close the chat, all sent messages are saved in the Close Chat tab. With payslips, the employee can view or download all generated payslips per period. If there are multiple active years in which the employee has a payslip generated, the app allows them to filter the payslips by the selected year. The same goes for the wage tax card. Just like the payslips, employees are able to download their wage tax card through their mobile app for every period. When requests are updated, new notifications are viewed on the right side of the tabs. The next menu option in the mobile app is the My Profile option. In this screen, personal information of the employee is being presented. Employees can only view their information, but cannot edit any field. If employees wish to edit or update their information, they can simply contact the HR department with the updates. With that being said, we viewed all the available options in the HRM mobile app. As presented, the app is very easy to use and creates a more efficient method to manage the HR requests for employees. If users wish to expand the process through managers' approvals, Payroll offers a manager portal module where all requests sent by employees are forwarded to their manager, which reviews, approves, or declines the request and send them to the HR department for further processing. This allows the HR department to only process approved requests from managers in their payroll administration. If you'd like to know more about the mobile app or other payroll modules, we are ready to assist you with the needed information or codes. I would like to thank you for your attention. If there are any questions, I'm able to answer them now.